The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the KraneShares Trust China Internet ETF with the ticker symbol KWEB. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. And here we have the daily chart for KWEB, and it's also a nice bullish trend. So this ETF is probably going to be tracking multiple Chinese companies, and that's why it's also rising up. So looking very good. I can put a channel on the swings. I can connect the swings and make this channel. So you can see how we have this trend line supporting prices. If I drag it up, it parallels the top. You can see that we're getting rejected from the top. So basically we're still working in this channel. The EMA is pointing up and it's acting as support, and we're moving at a nice angle. We're not moving at a very aggressive down move or up move, or it's a nice 45-degree angle, which is pretty healthy. So basically this is going to be continuing higher. I see that we could get a measured move higher. This is the first leg up right here, and this is the second leg up. So we can make another leg up this much, which will bring price to the $43-45 level. I'll mark it with a horizontal line. Maybe a closer measured move target would be the recent leg up. So we had this leg up right here, pull back, and we can make a leg up about the same size, and that would take us to the 37. So basically, I'm just looking for higher price targets. This is looking pretty good. We did have a previous range pattern right over here in the past. I can go and draw that with the yellow range and make the channel orange. So we did have this yellow range in the past, but you can see that we had a big breakout on the bottom, and we stopped out this low point right here. Couldn't go any lower, and then we reversed strongly. So this is pretty much a breakout on the top side. So if we could break out the same amount, just like we did on the bottom, the same amount would take prices to right around the 41. So basically I'm looking at at least 3 higher price targets that can be reached with confidence. This is looking pretty good. Even if we see a break of this orange pattern, there's a good chance that we still see prices retest the highs and even continue higher. So basically everything's still looking pretty good for KWEB, and I'll be looking for higher price targets. So this is looking pretty good, and let's take a look at the weekly chart, see if you find anything different. So here's the weekly chart, and again, very strong up move. Basically, if I zoom out, you can see the price action since looks like about 2013. Prices were lower than the previous all-time lows, which was made back here in 2015. So we did exceed that, and we're seeing nice buying pressure off these lower levels. So we had a lot of buying here. Prices did get above the EMA, but it could not hold. It was very weak. Then we continued lower. Now this was much lower than the previous low, and then we saw a nice move higher, and you can see that this time prices just shot right through the EMA like it wasn't even there. So that's a good sign. That's usually indicative of a reversal, and you can see how this big green candle just smashed right through that level versus in the past it was very weak and it just sold off. So this is looking very strong. I'm pretty bullish on Chinese stocks as right now, and I'm looking for higher price targets. So on this chart, it looks like the levels that prices want to reach is right over here. So again, like I said, the first one was at the 37, and it makes sense because this was the previous support that turned into resistance. So it looks like they want to test it again. Maybe that's when we get a pullback. Then the next one would be right here at the $43-44 level, and that's the previous breakout point. So again, this looks pretty good. We can maintain this angle because it's not really that aggressive, but we'll have to wait and see. But this looks pretty good, very similar to what happened right over here, where you saw this massive move up before prices came trending near the EMA. So this looks pretty good, and I'm looking for higher price targets. So that's all I have for KWEB. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video with your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time and bye.